Bowling Green heads out on the road for the final time this season when they take on Miami in Oxford Tuesday night. They'll face another solid signal caller in Redhawks QB Blake Gabbert, who leads the conference, averaging just over 255 passing yards per game. After a 49-17 drubbing at the hands of rival Toledo, the Falcons turned their focus to finishing the final 2 weeks of the season strong. At 3-7, the postseason is out of reach, but there's plenty to play for, including building some momentum heading into the offseason.
This is a great opportunity for us to get some momentum and get ourselves into a great off season. But these 2 weeks we can improve and we can move the needle of our program.
We have another game to play. Can't bounce back from that loss, but it is what it is. So, but we have to bounce back this week so we can go into next week even stronger.
We just got to come out with a lot of energy every day and just kind of put that behind us, because obviously, yeah, that sucked. It left a sore taste in our mouth, or sour taste in our mouth. But we just got to move on and just keep bringing energy every day, because we are such a young team. We're going to have time to develop this offseason, and we just need to build momentum going into next year.
Kickoff from Oxford at 8 p.m. on ESPNU before Bowling Green wraps up the regular season Friday, November 26th at noon against Ohio.